Welcome back to another cleanup. Today we want to clean up this debris field over here. There are a lot of bottles, glass and plastic and other trash that has washed up here, and yeah, today we want to see if we can get some of that out with this nice fishing net. So yeah, let's get started. Yes. First find for today, a glass bottle. Ah. Another glass bottle. Ja. Denn dieser Tennisball, den ich gerade rausgeholt habe, der liegt da schon seit einem Monat. Ich glaube, das festigt sich langsam. Okay, so we cleaned up everything that we could reach from the bridge here. This is what it looks like. And now we'll move further upstream to, yeah, get more stuff out. Oh, what a nice catch. Okay, I changed into my waders to, yeah, get more stuff out. Dankeschön. Ja.
Der Unterschied, er hat sich doch gefallen.
Deodorant.
Ja. Das ist eine fette Flagge.
Ja. Da hat sich jemand was gegönnt, ja. Jägermeister.
Englisch. Jack.
Oh, that is very deep over there. It's really deep. Coke bottle. Another plastic bottle. That looks like, yeah, soap. Okay. Oh, cool! That's awesome. Another glass bottle. More styrofoam right here. Another piece. Oh, got my gloves wet. Another piece. Yeah. Pretty bad. This is pretty much the maximum depth that I can go into. Otherwise I will get really wet. So yeah, we might need the extension later. Another glass bottle. Oh! More styrofoam. Ja. There we go.
Vor allem, die haben das ja trotzdem bearbeitet. Oh! Ja. Voll lustig, ja, ja.
The spot over there, this where I cleaned, and yeah, looks a bit better. Here's the stuff we got out. 2 more bottles and yeah, some sort of styrofoam thing. And a wine bottle, classy. A printer cartridge. Another glass bottle. We're at the end of the debris field right now. Yeah, that's everything that I was able to get from this part over here, because it's just too deep in the middle. We'll come back when the water level is a bit lower and I can walk through there and get the stuff out more effectively, because at the moment it's I don't want to sing in there. What the hell? A Schuh.
Das muss mit. Und das müssen wir, glaube ich, auch ein bisschen hier austropfen lassen.
Ja.
Ne?
Oh.
Ja, Schuhe. This is a liquid container for e-cigarettes, reusable, but it was in the river.